Okay.
You ready?
Go ahead. Alright. Alright, Nala, sit down.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
She's like, I ain't sitting down.
Go ahead.
And back legs are just like teeter-tottering.
Alright, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Go hurt yourself. You're going to strain your neck muscle. The veterinary's not going to believe they let you play with weights.
Pick it up. She's like, I'm tired of picking it up.
I did the baby girl.
Oh.
She's getting better.